Natural gas last week opened with a gap down opening. It has shown a little swing. It has filled the gap and it has closed the week at the doji. Now, can we expect net gas to break this channel and trade below 3.38, 3.3 zone, where the chances of 3.2 increases, or we can see the lows are done and the chances of reversal will be seen. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates and targets for natural gas with precise levels and targets. The subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live update, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort, and friends, do like, share, and comment. That's a great support from you all. Let Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch. Now, first, it is very clear and evident from this chart is that it is respecting the lows of this channel and it is trading in this bullish channel where the highs are far beyond towards 4.2, 4.4 zone. Now, can we say that because see the zone it has come towards is a critical support zone? If you look at the last few drops, it has definitely found its support intact, and in the coming week now it is definitely going to be watched out for how it behaves at 3.42 and 3.38 zone. Any drop below 3.42 and 3.38 possibly might take it towards 3.34, 3.3, and then 3.26. Now this is the next crucial support here towards 3.26, 3.24, because below this I think this is going to show another round of drop here. But what I am observing right now here is higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and natural gas is respecting this bullish channel. So coming out of this channel is not going to be a good sign for the bulls here. Though if you notice here, what has happened for natural gas? Rise retracement. It has shown a bigger rise. It could start to retrace. I will definitely watch out if it gives you a breakout. That could be a signal for further retracement. And where are the lows going to be? The lows, the more time it spends here, the lows are going to be towards $3. But let's have a look at the indicators as well. What does the indicators are? Now, indicators on the weekly charts, if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. These are trading with divergence and bullishness here, and this is a good sign for the bulls. And now in fact the 20 and 100 period is also crossed over. Now these are going to be the most critical support if at all natural gas resumes its downward journey, which means support levels are going to be very strong as long as 3 is respected, and then there is a gap filling move which can take the prices towards 2.8, though it is not necessary as there are lot many gaps left on the upside since long which are pending due to be filled towards 4.4, 4.5, and then towards $6 levels. So this is on the moving averages which is starting to look upwards. Remember, it is happening after a long bearish move. Now natural gas prices are looking upwards. Look at the stochastic. This is running flat as of now, waiting for it to take a direction, while when you see the MACD after this V-shaped recovery, it is now looking upwards and it appears to be heading towards the top here. So as of now, I can see the coming week is going to be one decisive week where it is going to decide whether to come out of the bullish channel or not, because once it comes out of the bullish channel, it might resume its downward journey for a while where the prices might remain range bound or slightly bearish. RSI is just consolidating, it is trading comfortable here. Coming to the month, on the monthly charts, what is happening? Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. This is a zone of consolidation. What we had discussed, that see diminishing bullishness is seen for the last few candles, and despite the current candles delivering lower highs, we can see it coming and closing towards the doji formation here. Definitely I'll watch out where this current candle closes, because see I can see a possibility of it remaining range bound here, where we may see natural gas in fact moving towards 3.25, 3.2 zone, but again coming towards 3.4, 3.5 zone towards the end of the week and end of the month. Yes, it may try to end in doji, and then the next monthly candle, if it is bullish, it may deliver a breakout here. Now why it may deliver a breakout? See, first of all, on the monthly charts, natural gas delivering higher lows, higher highs, and the highs now are towards 4.2, 4. But the very point here is, look at the movement here: rise, retracement, rise, and this could be the beginning of the retracement here, where the prices can in fact move towards 2.8, 2.7 before bouncing back in the next few months. So right now the closing of this candle is going to be very important. Notice also it is outside Bollinger Bands and it is putting pressure on the bands to expand. See, it has formed a neck which suggests that now natural gas definitely trying to expand the bands here, and which means the movement here is going to be outside Bollinger Bands in the near future. This is something you should keep a note of. Only thing is the moving averages on the monthly charts are trading bearish. Now the 20 months moving average support is at $3 levels and then towards 2.28, which is the median of the Bollinger Bands. Stochastic rising, MACD after the crossover here, trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards, trying to rise, trying to bounce back, possibly in the next few months natural gas prices might hit the top here. This is a warning. Do watch my annual review where I have predicted that it is very highly possible that nat gas is going to trade bullish in the year 2025, where in fact $6 or $8 levels cannot be denied here, though these are markets and these are too far beyond levels. But we had seen what we had seen in the one trading session towards the end of 2024. We have seen a 20% hike in natural gas, and this could replicate again. Now coming to the daily, what's happening on the daily charts, you can notice rise retracement, and every time it follows with a retracement, either the 20 period or the 50 period gives a very strong support. Notice what has happened for the last few sessions. None of the candles closed below the 50 period moving average. This is very important observation here. Now again, this has happened for the three times. Despite gas moving towards 50 period, it has failed to close below the 50 period moving average. Also notice after this one bullish candle, couple of bearish candles, and now in the coming week when you see the price is trading beyond 3.55, you can buy again. You can expect it to move towards 3.65, 3.7, and a move towards 3.7 will also confirm that now it is reversing. If you see it is staying above 3.7, one has to stay bullish. One can expect it to move towards 3.8 or $4 levels as well. Possibly, yes. This is natural gas. It can deliver wonders in one single candle here. The stochastic, which is hit an oversold zone, it's showing a V-shaped recovery. It can possibly move towards the top of the channel. Look at the MACD. This is only one worry point because see, it is trading with divergence, looking downwards, looking bearish. And if you notice, after the rise, it is just consolidating and delivering waves and waiting for the next run here. So I will wait. If it breaks the bottom here, certainly that could take it towards the bottom as well, and thus coming week is going to be very critical for natural gas. The RSI is comfortable here. Coming to the 4, on the 4-hour chart, see it has formed a bottom at 3.38 and it is trying to bounce back. First bullish candle. We will wait for it to trade above 3.5 to 3.54 zone. Beyond this, you can expect it to again move towards 3.6, the next critical milestone. And if it trades beyond 6 chances, 3.6, then chances will be very high that we may see 3.7 and 3.8 levels as well. Beyond that, it is going to turn extremely bullish. Notice this, higher lows are consistently seen and higher highs are seen. Just exclude this breakout, else it is trading in this channel. And also it has formed a double bottom. Breaking beyond 3.6, we may see it moving towards double top, that is towards 3.9, 3.4 or $4 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also after hitting the bottom, crossing over here for the buys, and the RSI is comfortable. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So let's first talk about the levels to buy. Yes, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3.5, 3.52 zone, or rather you can stay bullish about 3.5, 3.52. Expect it to move towards the nearest milestone is at 3.55 and then towards 3.6. If 3.6 is taken, chances will be very high that we may see the next move towards 3.68, 3.7, and if this is taken, then we are aiming at 3.8 levels directly. Beyond 3.8, this time it is not going to stop here. It may deliver the next move towards 3.92 and $4 levels here. Now this is just a perspective that if it trades bullish and if it stays beyond 3.7, 3.8, certainly chances will be very high that we may see it breaking beyond $4 levels as well, which is going to be a crucial number as of now. While the signs are not very much encouraging for such a stronger run. On the down, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see it is staying below 3.38, where you can expect 3.33, 3.3, and if 3.3 is taken, stay short for 3.25 levels. If 3.25 is taken, then 3.2 the next milestone. Now the bearishness will resume if it stays below 3.2, where you can say that possibly the first week of the next month and the next few weeks rather, I can say prices might try to trade bearish and can move towards 3.1, 3 and 2.94, because this is going to be the next milestone, and below this 2.8, 2.75. But I will say natural gas is still not showing such strong bearish signs here. Though I can say that the bullishness has got diminished, but I do not confirm this as a complete reversal and a crash in making. Yes, even if it tries to drop towards 3.2 or in fact $3 levels, that will give you another opportunity to accumulate natural gas. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my free Telegram channel for market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do join the mentorship batch and signals channel. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.